Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your video quality using CapCut Mobile. Okay, first of all, make sure that you have already installed CapCut application on your mobile phone. And then you're going to create a new project and choose the video that you want to increase the quality. I'm going to choose this video and add the video to the project. And we're going to do adjustment. Go to the adjust and then go to the grab. Okay, and you can do this adjustment. You can follow my adjustment for all the colors. You can make it like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, adjust it like this, and you're going to click on the check mark, and then we're going to apply blur effect. Go to the effect menu, video effect, and then blur. Okay, and click on the check mark, and I'm going to make it align with my video, and then we're going to export this video. And if you haven't subscribed to CapCut, I recommend you to export it in a 4K quality. Okay, and I'm going to create a new project, add the original video, and then add the video we have just exported as an overlay. Go to overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and I'm going to fit the screen like this, and then we're going to go to the splice to blend the first video and the second video. Go to the color burn and adjust it to 31 until 35. Okay, around 31, 35. And we're going to add white background as an overlay. You're going to go to the CapCut library and search white background. I'm going to choose photo, this one, add it to your project and zoom in to fit the screen and make it align with your video. Go to the splice and go to the overlay, and you're going to make it around 80. Make it done, and this is the result. And if you want to export it, just click on export and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to increase video quality using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.